I have a product here that's been labelled as the Tesla of foam rollers. If you're someone that foam rolls a lot, then you're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. So welcome to another review. Today I'm reviewing something very different. It's basically a vibrating foam roller, and it's made by Hyperice, a company synonymous with muscle recovery implements and gadgets. It's called the Vyper 2.0, and according to the Hyperice website, it's the next generation of the world's most powerful vibrating fitness roller. So of course I had to try it out. The 2.0 suggested this is the second iteration of the model. The first model, which was released in 2015, had grooves all over it. But some people didn't like that, so they listened to the users and they went back to the drawing board and they came out with this, the Vyper 2.0, which has both groove sections and smooth sections. Why does this product even exist? Foam rolling was once something only done by athletes. It falls under the umbrella of self-myofascial release. Without getting super technical about it, just think of foam rolling as a form of self-massage, releasing muscle tightness, tension, and improving circulation in whatever body part you use it in. Used post-workout, studies have shown that self-myofascial release in the form of foam rolling can actually improve your recovery quite dramatically. Turn it on there. Then you get your readout, then you turn it around, and then you have the on button here. Already it starts vibrating. This has 3 levels of intensity, and another great thing about it is that it's not... it's 3 levels of intensity, and the great thing about it is that it's not really hard to use. Yeah, this one's very strong. The price is quite high, but the effect is very noticeable. It feels very thorough compared to using no vibrations at all, and I would definitely say that you don't really need the 3rd setting. It's very high. It's so high in fact that at some point I thought that my bones were being damaged in some way. So the conclusion, the Vyper 2.0 is a lot more powerful than I initially thought it would be. The vibrations are very strong and you can't even hold it with one hand when it's vibrating. So it must have a really powerful motor inside there and you can really feel it. I initially thought it would just be a bit of a gimmick, a vibrating foam roller. I foam on with a normal foam roller all the time and I find it does the job just fine. But after rolling with this, you do get a more intense feeling with it and you do have less of the hard work to do, especially when you come to areas that you find hard to reach. For me personally, it's a bit on the heavy side though, and I'm not too sure if it's an essential addition to my gym bag. But as something I could keep at home and use only for recovery after a workout, it's something I could definitely use. So if you're somebody who gets massages regularly and you need this sort of relief, I would suggest giving it a try. Have you tried one of these yourself? Or are you thinking of getting one yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.